It's a very, very superb film.
Merong lesson na malulurn.
It really shows reality.
Grabe ang ganda. Astig. Astig yung movie.
Sobrang galing. Sobrang galing. Ang daming symbolism.
Nabagabag kami.
Wala bang part 2? Dapat lahat ng kabataan panoorin to. Nakaka-strike sa puso. It's great. Inspiring siya. At sana may ibang tao na nag-cheating
Department of Education dito po sa school po namin. So, nagpapasalamat po kami dito sa magandang mensahe na naidulot ng iyong pelikula.
I said it just a very nice film.
Masyado lang po akong na-amaze sa pinanood namin.
ISP children. Okay, it's about the topic of cheating.
Ganda, nakakayak. Ginawa ko rin yun eh. Mali, nakakonsensya lang.
Tintin Ibarra from Poveda. I've just seen the film Idol, Pag-asa ng Bayan, and I wish all the EDSOR schools would get a chance to watch it because number one, it's very thought-provoking. It reveals a lot of the complexities going on in the mind of our youth today, and it would really challenge you to act on certain issues going on in your school. It will move your heart. It will move you to do things, to make a difference in your schools.
I'm Josefina Galvez of Xavier School. I'm with the Student Activities Program Office. I'd like to congratulate the producers. It's really a great film. I'm glad you made it. It's disturbing, but it's disturbing us in a very good way. Our students who just watched it are our student leaders, and we hope through this film they'll be inspired to do something about the problem that was presented in the film. Congratulations, we really like the film.
I enjoyed it a lot. Everyone has been saying that it's not your usual type of film, that it didn't end the way that you have expected it to end. But I guess that's the way it should have been. It is meant to disturb you. It's supposed to make you see the reality and force you to face what's really happening. And it's supposed to push you to make a decision, whether to go with the flow or to change the culture.
I just want to commend the filmmaker, the director, because it showed the issues that we usually face, the way we always give into peer pressure. Like in the movie, the main character, he sacrificed his dignity for his friends. And that we also realized that it really starts in school. If you don't stop it there, it can go on to the government, and who knows who will be affected and how much it will affect our country.
Dahil sa movie, magdadalawang isip na ako bago mag-ship.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na-expect ganito pala karaming tao yung manonood. Salamat po sa inyong lahat sa panonood.
Very good sa Barte. Almost perfect. Second highest in class.
Paano kung mahuli ka?
Tanga ko na, mahuli ako, no?
Ang pwede to. Kailangan makagraduate tayo.
Pag di pa talaga ako makagraduate, hindi ko na alam mangyayari sa future ko.
Kaya yan. Kaya yan.
Sa physics,
Pare-pareho ang mga sagot.
105 out of 266 students got almost perfect in the physics exam.
Tell us the truth. Did you cheat?
Honest po, hindi po na-cheat.
yung pinapabagsak.
Hindi mo naman siguro alam yung password ng computer mo ngayon.
Naku ma'am, hindi po. Never po. Paano ko naman malalaman?
You can be expelled for cheating.
Tato ka!
Malala, Lorenzo, ano ba? Hindi ka pasok sa lalo na sa
Tato ka! Tato ka! Papakahirap ako dito para mabigyan lahat ng pangangailangan nyo!
Eh, gago ka pala eh! Tama na yan! Ikaw na nakikita mo sana! Ikaw yung ganyan eh! Pag di ako nakagraduate, ina mo, lagot ka sa akin! Uy! Gago ka! Uy! Wisit!
Lahat naman tayo ng daraya paminsan-minsan, di ba?